What's up, guys? In the video today, I want to show you how to get into an old phone if you have forgotten the lock screen passcode or if you don't remember the Google account information on the phone. I have this phone here. This is a Samsung Galaxy A16, and unfortunately, I have forgotten what I set as the pattern to unlock the phone, and I also don't remember the Google information that I used to set up the phone. So when I try to factory reset it, I'm still not going to be able to get into the phone to be able to use it. So I'm going to show you what to do, how to get past that lock screen pattern or PIN or passcode. And I'll also show you how to get past the Google factory reset protection that basically stops you from getting into an old phone if you try to reset it. Let's go ahead and get into it. So I'll be using a software called Wondershare Dr.Fone to help me bypass the lock screen and the Google factory reset protection. I'm going to go to the screen lock option. Next, I'm going to select Android, and then I'm going to select Unlock Android Screen. Next, I'll select Samsung from the list, and then I'm going to select 100% remove lock screen. Now, one thing I want to point out, there are two options on screen here. One is 100% remove screen lock, and the other one says remove without data loss. Now, unfortunately, only the older phones are supported for removing the screen lock without data loss. And when I say older, I mean phones that are about 5 years or older. Okay, now we need to toggle between which option best aligns with the phone that you have. It could be a device without Bixby, a device with Bixby, or a device with a home button. Once you select the appropriate model, then it will give you the full list of instructions you need to follow to help you remove the lock screen. Once you follow all the steps, it'll take you to this screen, which should mean that you have now successfully removed the pattern or the lock code that was on your phone. Now, if you had trouble, I encourage you to simply go back and start over. The important thing is make sure you follow all the steps exactly in the order that they give you. If not, it may not work. Next, we're going to hit done, and we're going to move on to the second part of the process, which is how do we remove that Google factory reset protection that is on the phone. So now we're going to move over to remove Google FRP lock. Click on that. Next, you'll want to select Samsung again from the list. Click next. And now it's going to give you a list of 8 different options you have to try to remove that Google factory reset protection. Now, I first tried the all Android version, the one-click removal, and that one did not work for me. So after that, I went back and I verified that the model of my Samsung was actually a Qualcomm Snapdragon model, which led me to try the Qualcomm Snapdragon option. And that one unfortunately didn't work either. And so then I moved on to the USA models, and I had success with that one to remove the Google factory reset protection. So what I encourage you to do is try each option until you find one that works for you. Now, it is going to ask you to plug in your phone to the computer directly, and then it's going to install software on the phone. So you can see right here, this is it's showing you plug in the phone, it's going to install some software, and it's going to give you a list of instructions of things you'll need to do to remove that Google factory reset protection. Once you follow all those steps, you should find that your Google factory reset protection is removed, and you now have access to the phone again. Here's my phone, guys, so you guys can see I was able to remove all that stuff off of the phone, the lock code and the factory reset protection, and now I'm able to set it up like a brand new phone. So if you guys have a phone that you can't get access to because you've forgotten the pattern or you've forgotten the Google information, this is a great software to consider that will help you bypass those things and get back into the phone. Unfortunately, sometimes when you buy phones online, this is a common occurrence that can happen. The person has not properly removed all of their account information first before doing the reset, and so you get locked out in that Google factory reset protection page. So this software can help you do it. Now, there is a fee to use the software, so keep that in mind, but in my opinion, it's worth it to be able to get access to your phone and be able to use it again. So again, if you guys want to grab this software, I'll link it down below in the description so you guys can check it out. As a note, this was a sponsored video with Wondershare so that I could test out the software and see how easy it is to remove your factory reset protection and your lock screen PIN. So thank you to Wondershare for sending the software so I could test it and sponsoring the video as well. If you found value on this video, make sure you bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.